Every continuous manufacturer has the same hidden challenge. Your plant is producing thousands of signals every second, but too often, the decision that protects quality, cost, or throughput comes too late. A lab result comes back after the product is made. A process variable drifts before anyone notices the pattern. A skilled operator knows what to do, but their knowledge is not available on every shift. ProcessMiner closes every one of those gaps. At the center is PM Studio, a no-code modeling system that puts optimization in the hands of the people who know the process best. Operators and process teams can upload historical data, build adaptive models, connect to the plant historian, and deploy live dashboards in minutes. PM Studio uses your process data, your quality targets, and your operating conditions to build models that reflect how your plant actually runs. And as conditions change, those models keep adapting, so your team is always working from the best available view of the process. Around PM Studio is the ProcessMiner platform, the proactive optimization layer that turns predictive models into better decisions. Our platform monitors real-time process and machine conditions, giving operators a clear view of what matters right now. Every 30 seconds, it predicts where quality and performance are heading, so teams can act before drift becomes waste, rework, or an off-spec run. When something moves out of bounds, root cause analysis narrows hundreds of variables to the most likely drivers, ranked by impact, so engineers know where to look first. Intelligent Centerlining compares current production to golden run conditions and shows the set point targets needed to bring the process back to its best operating range. From there, the platform can deliver recommendations every 15 minutes, support open-loop operator review, or move toward closed-loop autonomous control when your team is ready. TrialMiner adds experiment design and A/B trial analysis, helping teams understand which process changes actually improve performance. And across the entire platform, PM Agent gives operators and engineers a natural language AI assistant grounded in live process data, root cause findings, centerlining guidance, machine manuals, operating logs, maintenance records, and plant-specific knowledge. So your team can ask what changed, why it happened, and what to do next, with answers tied to your operation. This is applied AI for continuous manufacturing, adaptive, practical, and built for real production environments. ProcessMiner is already trusted by major manufacturers to reduce chemistry use, improve target adherence, reduce variation, and protect margin. The best proof is your own data. Start with PM Studio and deploy adaptive models on your process. Then, let the ProcessMiner platform show what better quality, lower cost, and faster decisions are worth to your operation. ProcessMiner, the AI platform tomorrow's manufacturers run on.